Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Guidance Class. I'm Maya.
And I'm Leo. It feels so good to be here with you.
Absolutely. Today, we have a very important and super interesting topic.
Yes, we are going to talk about feelings.
Yes, feelings. Happy, sad, nervous, excited. We all have them. And learning how to talk about them in English is super useful.
Right. Before we get started, a quick reminder. If you're enjoying our podcast, please share it with your friends who are also learning English. And don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. We love hearing from you. So, Maya, let's start with the big question. Why is it important to talk about feelings?
Good question. Sometimes it feels a bit hard, right? But when we share how we feel, it helps us inside. We don't carry all the stress alone.
Exactly. It's like opening a window. You let some fresh air in and you feel lighter.
Plus, when you talk about feelings, people understand you better. That makes your friendships and relationships stronger.
For example, if I say to you, Maya, I'm really happy today, you instantly know my mood.
Yes, and if I say, I'm feeling a bit down today, you can ask me if I want to talk or if I need some support. That's how we build connection. Okay, let's go through some basic feeling words. Our listeners will use these all the time.
Let's start with happy. Easy and common.
Right. When you smile, when you laugh, you're happy. For example, I'm happy to be on this podcast.
Same here. Next word. Sad. That's when you feel low, maybe even cry.
Like when you lose your phone, or when it rains on your picnic day. That can make you sad.
Then there's angry. When something really annoys you, like missing the bus or someone cutting in line.
Oh, yes. And tired. After a long day of school or work, you just want to lie in bed.
Definitely. Next is excited. This is a happy energy, like before a birthday party or holiday trip.
I love that one. And of course, scared. When you watch a horror movie or hear a strange noise at night.
Ah, that feeling. And finally, nervous. Like before a test or job interview. Your hands might shake a little.
Here's a quick tip. You can say, I feel happy, or I am happy. Both are correct.
Same with tired or sad. Don't stress too much, just pick one. Both are natural.
Now, let's learn some more detailed feelings. Ready?
Yes. First one, frustrated. This is when you try and try, but it doesn't work. Like fixing a computer that keeps crashing.
Exactly. Next, overwhelmed. That's when you have too many things to do at once. Like 5 assignments and 3 tests.
Then, anxious. It's like nervous, but stronger. You keep worrying about something. Maybe an exam or a big meeting.
And proud. this is a positive one. When you achieve something or when your friend does well, you feel proud.
I felt proud last week when I finished a big project at work.
Nice. Another one, lonely. That's when you feel alone, even if people are around. You just wish someone was there for you.
Yeah, we all feel lonely sometimes. Next is confident. That's when you believe in yourself, like raising your hand in class because you know the answer.
Good one. And disappointed. That's when something doesn't go as you hoped. Like when your favorite team loses.
Sometimes we don't just say, I'm sad. We want to show how much.
Exactly. We can say, a bit sad or very sad. Even completely devastated.
Like if your ice cream falls on the floor, you're a bit sad. But if you lose something really important, you might feel devastated.
Yes, we can also say a little nervous or extremely anxious. Those extra words, very, really, completely, make your meaning stronger. Now let's have fun with some idioms.
Great! First one, I'm on cloud 9. That means super happy. Like after getting good news.
Another is, I'm feeling under the weather. That means a little sick, not fully okay.
Oh, and walking on eggshells. That's when you are careful not to upset someone because they're sensitive or angry.
Finally, it broke my heart. That means something made you very sad, like losing a pet or ending a relationship.
So, how can we ask others about their feelings?
The simple one is, how are you? But sometimes people just answer, I'm fine.
If you want to know more, try, how are you really feeling?
Or, do you want to talk about it? If someone looks upset?
Another good one is something on your mind? That's a gentle way to ask if someone is worried.
Now, if someone shares their feelings, how do we reply kindly?
We use empathy. For example, if a friend says, I'm really sad, you can say, that must be hard, or I understand how you feel.
Yes, or I'm here for you. That's powerful. It tells the person they're not alone.
And don't forget, thanks for sharing that with me. It shows respect and trust.
Let's practice with some examples. Leo, you had a long, bad day at work. How do you say it?
I might say, I feel tired and frustrated. Too many meetings today.
Perfect. And if you're going on holiday soon?
I'm so excited for my trip. I can't wait.
Nice! What about after a breakup?
I'm really sad. It broke my heart.
Oh, that's honest. And if your favorite team loses?
I'm disappointed. I hoped they would win.
Talking about feelings at work can be tricky, but important.
True. If you're too stressed, you can say, I feel burned out. That means you're exhausted from too much work.
Or, I need a mental break. That's a polite way to say you need rest. Before we finish, let's share some tips.
My first tip? Keep a feelings journal. Write every day. Today I felt happy because... Or I felt nervous because...
Great one. My tip: when you describe your day, add feelings. Instead of saying, "My day was good," say, "My day was stressful at first, but later I felt proud."
Nice. And don't worry about mistakes. Expressing yourself is the key.
That's all for today's episode. Thank you so much for listening.
Yes, thank you. Please follow our podcast, share it with friends, and tell us in the comments, how are you feeling today?
We can't wait to read your answers. See you next time.
Bye-bye, everyone.